KMRSounds.
I got like 35 rounds and it's 50 rounds. I pull up and shoot out the roof. I know that he wasn't on it. I pull up and try him to see what it gon' do. Yeah. You told me to chill out. Girl, you know I'm too guilty. Off them drugs, you gon' feel me. Just relax till I'm empty. Cause girl, we haven't talked in a while. I've been wondering, where you been? Please don't make me come in. Go through that phone, see where you been. Cause you know I put it with chops. I got a stick in the box, got a box with a stick. Baby, I feel like I'm Roddy. You know I ride with the bro, say leave him at home. Know he gon' catch him a body. Well, what you think that I'm gon' do? Cause girl, we haven't talked in a while. And it been tripping. You better act like you love it whenever I lick it and stick it and stick it in. I hurt you over the bed, put my hand on you. Baby, now we playing Dennis. Yeah. You told me to chill out. Girl, you know I'm too guilty. Often you gon' feel me. Just relax till I'm empty. Cause girl, we haven't talked in a while. I've been wondering, where you been? Please don't make me come in.
You know what? Y'all know each other?
Go through that phone, see where you been.
Yeah, y'all know each other?
Nah, not like that, homie.